Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can actually switch between the pages using a drop down. So we have already seen various methods in the earlier videos, like how we can do the switching between the pages using buttons. Like when you click on a certain button, it will take you to certain page, and also next in the previous buttons, something like that, right? And also I have shown you one of the method by using the tabs. So apart from that, there's also a new method by using which you can actually um, do the switching between the pages. That is drop down. We usually see on the UiPath apps, in any of the app, not only UiPath apps, right? So how you can actually do this, how you can actually achieve this. So this is a demo that I'm going to show you with a small, use case where in employee onboarding process. So if I go to the preview, so here you can see, I'll just change the label to pages and just give the hint text. Please select a page to navigate. Okay, it will take you to that particular page. Just giving the preview. So once after I select that particular page, it will take me to a certain page. So how we can actually do it? Through a drop down. That's what I'm going to show in this particular video. This demo is showcasing that whole thing end to end. So if you see here, this is pages and the tooltip is please select a page to navigate. So if I just do the drop down, I have two pages. One is home page and employee details page. So if you have seen in the earlier video, I have shown this navigation through buttons as well as through tabs, but this is through drop down. So these are usually something which we encounter in any of the applications, right? And apart from that, I just kept a picture over here, some header and a button. So if you want to know how you can actually bind this image into your app, I have already created a video on that. It is under the playlist of UiPath apps. Otherwise, you can check the link in the description. I'll post it over there and I'll link the video to that on top of the video. Okay, so here I'm clicking on the home page. If you see, it has taken me to the home page, right? So let's go back and click employee details page. So I'm clicking on employee details page. If you see here, personal information, employee details, right? So this is how this will be helping me to navigate to different pages. So the similar way you can add whatever the pages that you wanted to see here, you can add all those pages and this will help you to navigate to that page. So usually if you go to Amazon or Flipkart, you will have the options, right? The categories, men, women, then formal, shoe, footwear, all of that things, right? So whenever you click on it, it will redirect you to that particular page. So this is how you can imagine the use case, and this will definitely help you to make your UI game a level up, right? So if you found this video useful, I'm just let me know or comment down below the video that you're interested to learn the step-by-step tutorial. I'll in soon time I'll post a video which is a step-by-step tutorial which will help you to understand how you can select a particular item that will navigate you to the certain page or the binded page. Okay, so to know more, do comment out that you're interested for the step-by-step tutorial. I'll soon post the video on it. So thank you so much for watching. Do let me know your interest through the comments. And also if you like the videos, please do subscribe to my channel and like the videos. Stay tuned for more such informative content. I'll see you in the next video next time. Till then, bye.